Okay, hello everyone. So today we are solving remove duplicates from sorted array. Question says that given an integer array num sorted in the ascending order, remove the duplicates in place so that each unique element appears only once. Okay, so we are given an array 1, 1, 1, 2. I'm supposed to return an array which is sorted, removing the duplicates, and I also need to return the number of elements. So let's take this example. I feel this is big enough. So for this example, what we are doing is I need the output to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and k as 5. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I think from what I need to do is we'll keep one global index variable which will keep track of the numbers. So my first element will always be this. So we'll start this from the first element and we'll check if this is equal to the previous. If it is, I'm gonna continue. If it is not, I'm going to replace the nums of index with this new value, and I'll keep track of the previous variable as well. So basically what I'll do is I'll have a previous value, which will be nums of 0, right? And I'm going to go over all the elements starting from 1, right? And once I go over all the elements, what I'll do is I'll check if my nums of I is equal to previous. If that's the case, I'm going to continue. Else, once I find the element which is, so in this case 0 is equal to 0, I continue. But once I find the element which is different, I'll replace nums of index with this new value. I'll do index plus plus, right? And okay, what is index? So index will be starting from 1 here. So reason being my first element is same, so I need to start from 1. So yes, that's it. And at the end of it, I just return index. This looks good. Let's try. Awesome. So basically what I did here was have just a global index variable which will keep track of adding the new numbers. So I have a previous value. I'll keep checking if the new value is equal to previous. If it is, I continue. If it is not, so here it is not, I'll replace nums of index with that value, and my previous will now be this, and I'll keep doing this for all the elements. So my index will be pointing here. I see 1, 1, continue. Once I find 2, I replace nums of index with this new, and my previous will now be 2. So sounds good. In terms of time, this is O of n, since I'm just going over the array once. And in terms of space, I'm just using variables, so it's O of 1. Looks good. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. So here I got 0, 1, 1. Oh, here I did not update the previous. So my previous will be equal to nums of I. So as you can see here, I found that 1, 1 is repeating. That's because my previous was not updated. It's always comparing with 0. So, oh, so good.